Welcome, wolves! If you're intrigued by the howl of digital treasures, today's topic is just for you. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. These digital assets have the pack howling with excitement, and I'm here to break down what they are and why they're so popular. Hit that subscribe button and join our Wolfpack for more crypto insights. So, what are NFTs? In simple terms, an NFT is a unique digital asset that represents ownership or proof of authenticity of a specific item or piece of content. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are interchangeable, each NFT is one of a kind. Just like every member of our pack, think of an NFT as a digital certificate that says, "This is the real deal." Now, let's explore the hunting grounds of NFTs. Where are these unique tokens used? First up, digital art. NFTs have revolutionized the art world, allowing artists to sell their work directly to collectors without needing a middleman. From mesmerizing digital paintings to stunning 3D animations, NFTs give artists a new way to monetize their creativity. But it doesn't stop at art. NFTs have prowled into gaming too. In the gaming world, NFTs can represent in-game items like weapons, armor, or even virtual land. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind sword in your favorite game. It's yours, and no other wolf in the den can claim it. And for you music lovers, NFTs can represent ownership of exclusive tracks or albums, giving fans a direct connection to their favorite artists. So, why are NFTs the hot topic? They bring three things to the table: uniqueness, ownership, and provenance. First, uniqueness. Each NFT is unique, making it as rare as a white wolf in the wilderness. When you own an NFT, you know it's the only one of its kind. With NFTs, you truly own the digital asset. This isn't just a copy or a share, it's the real thing, right in your digital wallet. And finally, provenance, or the history of ownership. NFTs come with a built-in trail showing who has owned them before, adding an extra layer of authenticity. This combination of uniqueness, ownership, and provenance has captivated collectors and creators alike, driving a surge in the popularity of NFTs. It's like finding a legendary artifact in the vast digital city. Everyone wants to be the proud owner of something truly special. So, there you have it, wolves. NFTs are reshaping the digital landscape by offering unique, verifiable ownership of digital assets. Whether it's art, music, or gaming, NFTs are creating new ways for us to connect, collect, and own pieces of the digital world. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.